Devialet has launched the Dione, a $2,400 Dolby Atmos soundbar, with built-in subwoofers and a central orb speaker that can rotate depending on the soundbar's installed position. The Dione has 17 drivers, 8 of them serving as the subwoofers, another 8 for full-range audio, and a center driver inside the rotatable orb. The Dione houses a gyroscope that will automatically correct the sound orientation whether you mount the soundbar or lay it flat. No need to make that adjustment via its mobile app. The orb is not motorized. To aim the central speaker in the correct direction, you'll need to manually rotate the orb with your hand. The new soundbar adds a space feature that can upscale stereo sound into virtual audio channels, which enhances the 3D immersion effect using audio beamforming. Devialet's Dione Atmos soundbar will cost you $2,400.